welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look inspired by Tiffany Co, you know, their signature color, and I really hope this looks like a Tiffany Co color. So I used again the Zulu palette and I love the colors so much. I feel like they are so vibrant, so colorful. And I used only 2 eyeshadows from this palette, and also I used 2 eyeshadows from the Swear by NYX. And on top I used the Maiden pigment from ColourPop and Kathleen Lights, and I created this makeup look. And I have to say that I really love the colors, but I don't know how wearable is this makeup look, you know, but for an event it's cute. In today's video, I'm going to shout out Katie King. Thank you so much for your support. She has a YouTube channel. If you want to subscribe to her channel, why not? She's so pretty. So thank you so much, Katie, for your support. And if you want to be mentioned in my videos, just be subscribed to my channel and stay active in the comment section. So that's that. Okay, now if you want to see how I created this Tiffany Co makeup look not expired, then keep on watching. Okay, so I had this makeup look in my mind for about 2 days. I was at work and I said I cannot wait to sit down and film this makeup look because in my mind it looked so beautiful. I wanted to use this green and the pink together and create a beautiful, I don't know, cut crease maybe, but I wanted to use these colors together. And I sat down and I started to play with the colors. You can see the brushes here. I started to play with the colors and I didn't like the colors they create when they mixed each other, if that makes sense. They created this purplish, poopy, ugly color, and I said, wow, why is this not working? Because in my mind this looked beautiful. So I tried twice, and this is my third option, and I said, you know what? Forget about these 2 colors. I'm going to create a Tiffany Co makeup look, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I have on my eye, and I'm going to show you guys how I created this beautiful makeup look. And as you can see, I'm using the Zulu palette again. I'm going to use only 2 shades from this palette. And also when I did the review on this eyeshadow palette, the pink or the purple stained my eyes. So yeah, So yeah, I'm going to start with this color and I'm going to build and blend that to perfection, even though that doesn't exist. Okay, so first I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to pack the color. And I think I'm going to apply just a little bit more of concealer because, I don't know, I feel like my skin drinks the concealer because it kind of fades away. You know, I'm using my Maybelline concealer. You know I love this so much. This is in the shade Ivory. Okay, so as I said, I'm taking the green on a pencil brush and I'm going to start applying this like so. And don't worry because we are going to blend that. And as you can see, I'm starting to pack this a little bit lower because I'm going to go with the blending a little bit higher. What? Me trying to explain things. You know, I'm so bad at explaining things, so yeah. Anyway, I'm taking this, this is like a pencil brush but is a little bit more fluffy, and I'm going to start blending this carefully. And as you saw, I didn't set the base because I want this color to be very vibrant. So I'm taking a little bit of color on the brush, and as I said, I'm blending this upwards. Next, I'm taking a clean brush and I'm going to blend right here because we don't want any harsh lines. And look how easy that blended. Of course, I'm going to build this color, so no worries. I just want to make sure that everything is nice and blended. So I'm taking more color on the pencil brush. I'm going to blend again with a clean brush. Okay, next I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to use my white concealer and this very detailed brush. With a flat brush, I'm going to take the shimmery shade and I'm going to apply it where I cut the crease. So I'm going to fill this in, and I'm not going to use this wet because I'm going to apply some glitters on top. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to use this pigment on top. This is in the shade Maiden, and I'm going to wet this because I want this to be a bit... Oh my god, I almost dropped this. Oh! So as I said, I'm going to use this wet because I want this to be very shiny. And I'm going to pour some oh my god, I hope I don't drop this because so I'm going to pour a little bit of this facial spray in the cap. What happened? Okay, and I'm going to put some pigment, mix it, and then apply it on my eye. And again, I'm going to use a flat brush. I'm going to remove the excess on the back of my hand because I don't want to go crazy. That's gorgeous. I really hope you can see that. Okay, next I'm going to use my Swear by It eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to mix two colors, and I'm going to darken a little bit the outer corner, not too much, just a little bit like I did on this eye, you know, and also to blend the colors together. So I'm going to mix these two shades right here, this one and this one, okay, and I'm going to place it right here. Next I'm going to take this color again, and I'm going to try to blend that. On my bottom lash line, I'm going to take the darker shade, this one right here. And next I'm going to take again this shade, and I'm going to blend that. Okay, and next I'm going to take again the shimmery shade, and I'm going to apply it on top, this one right here. Next I'm going to apply this glittery eyeliner, and I'm going to apply it where the cut crease is, but I'm going to use this brush because it's more precise, I guess. So I put some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to apply it with the brush. As I said, I need my mirror very close. Okay, next I'm going to apply just a little bit of the pigment on top of that glitter. So I'm taking whatever I have in the cap with the same brush, and I'm going to apply it on top. Okay, so I think I'm done with my eye makeup. I'm going to do my face makeup off camera, and I'm going to be back to do my lipstick, I guess, and to apply my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight. Okay, as you can see, I did my face makeup. Also, I applied a little bit of mascara and the lash on this eye, and of course I'm going to use my Ardell Wispies. I love these lashes so much. I feel like they are so wispies, but then they look so natural as well. I mean, they look long and wispies, but I don't know, I feel like they look natural. Anyway, I'm going to apply the lash. So I'm going to let this dry for a second. And I'm going to tell you that yesterday I did exfoliated my entire face, and I went so harsh that my skin still hurts. It feels like I got a sunburn, and mostly it hurts around my nose and around my mouth. But oh my god, my skin feels so soft, and also my makeup went so smooth on top. but my skin still hurts. So today I used the Milani foundation. Wow, so nice. I'm going to press my lashes with the faucet so they can look like, you know, natural. Okay, next I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners, and for my brow bone I'm going to use the highlight that I used on my face as well, is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. In my inner corners I want to apply the Maiden, but I don't want to apply glitter glue or use this wet, so probably that's a very bad idea. Probably I'm going to have glitter all over my face, but let's try it. Okay, finger crossed I don't get this all over my face. I'm going to use this pencil brush and wish me luck. So I'm going to use whatever I have here on the cap. Tap, 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 and let's pray. Wow, you see, this is what I'm talking about. I hope you guys can see that. So beautiful. I love the Maiden, is so gorgeous. So that's why I didn't want to apply this wet or use a glitter glue, because I want just a little bit of shine in there, if that makes sense. Okay, on my lips I'm going to, I don't know which one. I think I used She Cute before, so I think I'm going to go with Mija. This is Becky G. I know in my ColourPop haul, I still can't read this, but I saw online that this is a Becky G and ColourPop collaboration. So this is in the shade Mija, but I'm going to use, oh, probably this is way too dark. Yes. So yeah, I'm going to go with She Cute. This is a collaboration with Bretman Rock, and this is the Ultra Satin lip. Okay, so I'm going to line my lips with this Essence lip liner. It says soft contouring. I did bought a few of them. I wanted to repurchase these shades that I already have because these are so old and I need to throw them away, but I couldn't find the shades that I already have. And I'm going to use Big Proposal, I guess that's how you say that word. And they also changed a little bit the packaging. It says lip liner and soft contouring. So I'm going to use this to line my lips. Yeah, I think they changed the formula because it's not that creamy. Okay, so I end up using the older one. This is in the shade in the Nude. And next I'm going to use She Cute, as I said. My lips are a little bit dry, as you can see. It's okay. Okay guys, and this is the final look. I have to say that I love this color so much. So I feel like that pigment gave this makeup look oomph, you know what I'm saying, because I feel like the shimmery shade is not as metallic. Is a shimmer, not a metallic. I used this wet in my review and the color payoff, it was the same. That's why I didn't use this wet today, because I applied the Maiden on top, but I feel like that brings this makeup to life. I don't know if that makes sense. I hope. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, what do you think? Is this a Tiffany Blue makeup look inspired? What? Is this a Tiffany Co makeup look inspired or not? Let me know down below. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Give that sparkle to look cute. Oof, you know, yeah, of course, you know what I'm, yeah. You can see my hair is so puffy. I just blow dried, and yeah, horrible. No, like what? Why? Why are you doing this? No. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this ruffle makeup look.